Dfp Kit have been sent to you. Here is what you will do to access your Dfp Kit. In your inbox, you'll see this message right here that says that the item has been shared with you. Click it opened, and upon opening it, scroll down, you'd see this open, and you see this. You could use either of them. For me, I'll use this. As soon as you click on it, you'd see this file open this way. It would say couldn't preview file. There was a problem with the preview. The essence of this is because the file is zipped. And the file is zipped to protect you from viruses. Okay, so you've got to download it and unzip on your system. So if you click on download, it will download onto your system, and afterwards, this is what you're going to see. Now, this is the zipped folder here. Depending on the kind of system you're using, you would have to unzip the folder. When you unzip the folder, you'll see this kind of thing, and this is the folder here. Or these are the folders, basically. Now you've got a webinar video in this place, yeah? And that's like what I'm doing right now, together with the webinar that you will be scheduled for. But the major folders are here. The books. You've got quite a number of books here. You've got all these ones here, and you've got the phonology books. Now there are more links to books that you will have to see. But then you've got this also. This will be explained to you in the webinar. And you've got the real documents. Here are the basic things that you majorly need. Okay, quite a number of them. You go through them carefully, and that will prepare you for the webinar. So you can have questions, objective questions to ask regarding all of these. The use of each folder would be explained to you in the webinar. Good luck.